Let me, on behalf of the 10th Senate of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, welcome our new colleagues to be as they prepare to take their oath of allegiance to the Nigerian people and the Nigerian Constitution as senators of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. We have Senator-elect Ikpia Joseph Igabe from Edo Central, taking the place of distinguished Senator Akpabio, who is now a performing governor of Edo State in the All Progressives Congress. We have distinguished Senator Nwachukwu Emmanuel Chibuzo, taking the place of our late colleague from Anambra South Senatorial District, very amiable distinguished Senator Ifeanyi of blessed memory. Again, he was of the All Progressives Congress. But Senator Chibuzo is of the All Progressive Grand Alliance, ABGA. We welcome you. We have moved a motion to allow strangers to approach the hallowed chambers of the Nigerian Senate because of you. And it's not usual, but we have some political timbers and caterpillars amongst your entourage. So let me start from Chief James Ibori, former governor of Delta State, a political colossus, a leader of leaders, an amiable character, a man we all admire and respect. Sir, you are welcome to the chambers of the 10th Senate of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Unfortunately, we don't clap here. We would have given you a standing ovation. Then we have also the brother of one of our senators-elect here, a distinguished businessman, Dr. Liman Ikpia, who is the senior brother of one of those we are swearing in today. Dr. Liman, you are welcome to the chambers. We have a former deputy governor of Edo State. He's also the Director General of the Nigerian Institute of Sports, grooming young ones for the future. Right? His Excellency Shuaibu is a known face, and I hope the former chief servant of Edo State is here. Adam Toshimole, you should be smiling. Okay. So one of your words, he learned under the leader, Adam Toshimole. So you're happy to see him here. Thank you. So you're all welcome with all the other members, including the women. We welcome you so that you will not say that the Senate President does not like women. So we welcome you also. Sergeant at Arms, are you ready? Clerk of the Senate. We're starting with distinguished. Do we go two of them at the same time? Or we take one after the other? Huh? Together. Okay, so
and always in the interest of the sovereignty,
integrity, solidarity,
well-being,
and prosperity of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
and prosperity of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
I will strive to preserve
the
fundamental objectives and direct principles of state policy contained in the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Help me, God. And that I will preserve, protect, bear true allegiance to the Federal. I, Emmanuel C. Nwachukwu,
Honorable Sage is here, a member of the House of Representatives and others. So we also welcome you. So for the newly sworn-in senators of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, on behalf of your colleagues, on behalf of the leadership, we welcome you. The Senate is a family, the most elite club in the world. So you are welcome to the prestigious club of the Nigerian Senate. All over the world, at any border post that you introduce yourself as a senator, you are given the right respect. So we congratulate you on your election and congratulate members of your family for their prayers and their support. And congratulate your states, your senatorial districts that gave you this sacred mandate to come and join this hollow chamber to serve. Today, you have been called to national duty. Today, you are no longer a senator of your political party. You are a senator of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Once you step into this chamber, you drop your party outside and come in here as a senator of the Federal Republic of Nigeria with the intention of carrying out and contributing to debates and other functions here as a nationalist and keeping Nigeria constantly in mind. Your colleagues who have been here will continue to assist you so that you get used to the nuances of proceedings of lawmaking. I must say that we have given you 2 items today. One is the Nigerian Constitution, which you must try to imbibe the contents. It's not just a ceremony. It's to let you know that that is the ground norm and that all our authority in this hallowed chamber comes through the Nigerian Constitution. The second one that we have given you, which you must start reading from today, is the Senate Standing Orders 2023 as amended. The content will show you the proceedings. Because sometimes, if you are new and you come in, you may not know why we do certain things at certain times. And if the presiding officer should tell you that you are ruled out of order, please don't be angry. It's because you have breached a section of the standing rules of the Senate. And that is what gives us discipline. And that is what gives us order. That is what makes us distinguished. It distinguishes us from others. If you have been in the House of Assembly before, the Senate is slightly different because what is contained in what we have given you now is different from what you were used to. So please take time to go through it and God will guide you. Finally, let me thank those who came with you. High expectations, they wish you well, and they're happy they elected you. Both friends and foes alike are expecting a lot from you. So, may God help you, may God guide you as you deliver the dividends of democracy to your various constituencies. Congratulations once again. And for all of us, welcome. Our leaders, thank you so much for visiting us today. May God continue to keep you, guide you, grant you most wisdom, and above all, protect you and your families. Thank you for coming. Leader of the Senate.
Mr. President, distinguished colleagues, I support the motion that the relevant orders be restored to enable Senate to continue in plenary.
Distinguished colleagues, today you have been called to national duty. Today, you are no longer a senator of your political party. You are a senator of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Once you step into this chamber, you drop your party outside and come in here as a senator of the Federal Republic of Nigeria with the intention of carrying out and contributing to debates and other functions here as a nationalist and keeping Nigeria constantly in mind.